In today's video, I want to guide you on how to change language on Brave browser or switch from one language to the other. In that case, you can use multiple language on Brave browser. This can be done under 30 seconds. Click on these three lines, scroll down, click on settings. Once you click on settings at this side, scroll until you have access to a button called language. Click on it. Once you click on language, you see a preferred language at the top of the screen here. Now my preferred language is this one. That says this language is used to display menu, setting, alert, and other text in brief. So this is my preferred language. Now assuming you want to add another language here, click on this add language button. Now you have tons of language here. Now assuming I want to change my language from one language to another, let me try and search for Swedish or Sweden language. You see that there is Swedish here. Click on this button, then click on add. Now that I've clicked on add, now you have multiple languages here. The preferred language is the English of UX, that is the default language. Now you have my language as English. Now let me add this as my language now. Click these three dots. Now you have this small thing that comes up. Move to the top, move up, move down, or remove. So click on this button, display brief in settings language. Click on it. Now once you click on it, now take a look at what is happening here. It has switched from the English United States to French. Meanwhile, this setting is not taking effect right away. You need to click on this. So once you click on the launch button, it takes effect immediately. Now what it does is that every site you visit will now be translated to the new language. But in case you want to restore your previous language, just come over to this place, click on it, then do the same thing here, then click on relaunch, and this relaunch, then it brings it back here. Now in case you've done this and you want to remove some of this language, let me quickly remove this one that is Swedish. Click on this button, the three dots, then click on remove. That's all guys, you've been able to add, reset your language, and remove any unwanted language on your Brave browser. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and see you soon guys on my next video.